Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wine shop license. First, you need to thoroughly understand the specific regulations governing alcohol sales in your state and local area. This initial research is crucial for identifying the correct license type for your business, whether it is for off-premise sales or a tasting room. Also, investigate local zoning laws to ensure your chosen location complies with all restrictions for selling alcoholic beverages. This foundational step saves significant time later on. Once you have a clear understanding, the next step is to complete the comprehensive application form. This form often requires extensive details about your business structure, ownership, and operational plans. Be sure to gather all supporting documents, such as your business plan, financial statements, and property deeds. Remember to budget for the application fees, which can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on your location and license type. After submitting your application, prepare for rigorous background checks on all owners and key personnel involved in the business. Licensing authorities will scrutinize your financial history and criminal record. Simultaneously, your proposed wine shop location will undergo several inspections. These checks ensure your premises comply with all health, safety, and accessibility codes, as well as specific alcohol control regulations. Passing these inspections is a critical hurdle to overcome. Finally, you will await the decision from the state or local alcohol control board. Upon approval, you will receive your wine shop license. However, the process does not end there. It is vital to understand and adhere to all ongoing compliance requirements, including operating hours, advertising rules, and responsible beverage service. Remember to renew your license periodically, typically annually or every 2 years, to ensure your business remains legally operational.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.